ukulele tutorial. So for today, we will learn the song Eensy Weensy Spider, and we will only use two chords, and that is D and A7. To play the D chord, just put your first finger here, your second finger here, and your third finger here, and that's your D chord. To play the A7 chord, just put your first finger here, and that's it. You got A7. For beginners, we will only use down strum, and it goes like this. We will use the count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So for the first two strums, we will use D, 1 and 2, and switch to A7, and 3, and switch to D, 4, D, and A7, and D, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Alright, so with song it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, go. Eensy Weensy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried the water away. And the Eensy Weensy Spider went up the spout again. And for the intermediate learners, we will use another strum pattern. It goes like this. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, down. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, down. So in the first chord, the D, it's down, down, up, down, up. Then switch to A7. Down, down, and then D, down. So you will repeat that throughout the song. So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, go.